In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete a group. On Facebook, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and the first stuff. Open up Facebook app, then go to menu. And among these shortcuts, you can easily find groups. Just tap on that, then go to your groups. And that's where you can easily find the groups you manage. That will show you all the groups that you manage. And then, just to get into a group that you want to delete, that will open up that group page, and then hit at that shield icon. Scroll down to the very bottom, and I hit at delete group, and then delete group again. That's it now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.